welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the transformative power of corridor rugs. From adding warmth and style to enhancing functionality, corridor rugs play a crucial role in hallway decor. Let's dive in and discover how they can truly transform your space. Corridor rugs aren't just decorative, they're functional too. One of the key benefits of corridor rugs is their ability to define and separate spaces within your home. By placing a rug in your hallway, you can create a distinct pathway that guides guests through your home with ease. Moreover, corridor rugs help to tie together the various elements of your hallway decor. Whether you have a minimalist or eclectic style, a well-chosen rug can anchor the space and bring cohesion to your design scheme. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, corridor rugs add warmth and comfort to your hallway. In colder months, they provide insulation and prevent heat loss, making your hallway feel cozy and inviting. Furthermore, corridor rugs offer a soft surface for your feet to tread on, especially in high-traffic areas. This not only enhances comfort but also reduces noise and protects your floors from wear and tear. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of corridor rugs is their ability to make a style statement. With a wide range of colors, patterns, and textures to choose from, rugs allow you to express your personality and elevate your hallway decor. Whether you opt for a bold, eye-catching pattern or a subtle, understated design, your corridor rug can set the tone for the entire space. It's a simple yet effective way to add personality and flair to your hallway. In conclusion, corridor rugs are more than just floor coverings, they're transformative elements that can completely change the look and feel of your hallway. From defining spaces to adding warmth and making a style statement, rugs play a crucial role in hallway decor. So why wait? Consider adding a corridor rug to your space and see the difference it can make. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration.